Hi, I'm Sprout. Beginner friendly. Let's make a tiny crochet heart. Let's start with the magic ring. Gently pinch that crossing point. Insert your hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through. Now, chain 3 to begin. Nice and steady here. Yarn over twice, then work 3 double treble crochets into the ring. Take your time here. Here's the first one. Now, just make 2 more the same way. Just keep going the same way. There you go. Now yarn over once. Work 3 double crochets into the ring. Try to keep your stitches nice and even. That's the first one. Here's the second. And the third. Chain 1. Yarn over twice again. Work 1 double treble crochet into the ring. Pull through 2 loops at a time until you finish the stitch. Chain 1. Now we'll mirror the same pattern on the other side. Work 3 double crochets. That's the first one. Here's the second. And the third. Then work 3 double treble crochets. Take it nice and slow. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the ring to join. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Gently pull the tail snug. Use your fingers to shape the heart. Use your hook to pull the tail through and hide it. Hide the magic ring tail the same way. Then trim the excess. And just like that, your little heart is finished.